What's up, y'all? It's your girl Dupre, and I'm back with another video. Now, I know I told you guys in the last video, if it's up before this one, which this one might be up first because I'm editing it differently than the other one, that I did have 2 other installments of fall makeup, and this one is just a bonus video. It's more of like one of my other videos I have on this channel. I will link it in the iCards up here, of like me just doing my makeup and chilling. Something's in my eye, hang on. Of me just like doing my makeup and chilling. I'm not really going to be talking in this video. I'm just going to be showing you guys the products and just kind of doing it with like music in the background, because I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. I did use the So Jaded palette. I'm not sure if you can still get this on Colourpop or not. While filming, I dropped this palette for the first time ever, and literally all of these eyeshadows came off. So I don't know, they might be in a different position like the second half of me doing my eyes. I'm gonna try to fix it, but that's kind of really annoying. It's the first time I ever dropped this. None of them broke, but they all just kind of fell out of the palette because it's like magnetized on the palette. So there is that. I was just feeling like a dark lip, a dark eyes. I'm gonna be filming something else for you guys right now, so I thought we could just go ahead and get ready before the sun goes all the way down, which it's doing right now. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how I create it, just keep on watching.
You get the sauce, bitch. You got the sauce, bitch. Jokey got the sauce, bitch.
Trappy on the track.
Okay, well, that was it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for chilling with me. Real chill vibes over here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more looks, or if you just want to see more of this face, because it's all over the place. Bars. And like, comment, and subscribe, like I said. Right here, just subscribe. It should be right here, I think. Hopefully it's right here, just right there in that area. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.